Are you ready to discover a groundbreaking method to make money online that has the potential to earn you over $30,000 per month? Get ready to be amazed because today, we're unveiling an exciting and little-known strategy that is revolutionizing the way people generate income on the internet. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to reveal a faceless video money-making method that has the power to transform your financial future. Today, we're diving headfirst into a hidden gem of the online world, a method that has allowed individuals just like you to consistently earn over $30,000 per month. Buckle up and get ready for an eye-opening journey as we reveal the secrets behind this faceless video money-making method. Before we start, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more great content like this. A few months ago, the digital landscape witnessed a seismic shift as Instagram and Facebook globally released their highly anticipated video app, Reels. Previously restricted to the United States and a select few test countries, Reels has now taken the world by storm. This innovative short-form video platform functions in a manner similar to TikTok and YouTube Shorts, allowing users to upload captivating 60-second video clips that seamlessly play in an infinite scroll feed. But here's where it gets truly exciting. Reels has become an unprecedented opportunity for content creators, with videos garnering millions of views within a remarkably short span of time. It's an absolute game changer. People just like you are uploading their videos on Reels and experiencing an exponential surge in viewership, reaching vast audiences and opening doors to unimaginable possibilities. And the great thing is that you can start to earn money from it. So, your next question is, what types of Reels should I create to earn money? Sometimes, simplicity is the key to extraordinary success. Take, for instance, this incredible video style that has taken the internet by storm. All it involves is propping up a phone and writing out a puzzle on a piece of paper for viewers to solve. Surprisingly straightforward, right? Yet, this unassuming video has managed to accumulate a mind-boggling 1.2 million views, an achievement that's nothing short of remarkable. But don't let the simplicity stop there. If this video style piques your interest, prepare to unleash your creativity because the possibilities are limitless. Some creators delve into the world of optical illusions, while others focus on IQ puzzles. The best part? None of these ideas require you to be on camera or utter a single word. If the puzzle video idea hasn't quite captivated you, fear not. Let me introduce you to the captivating world of motivational post videos. These videos revolve around finding or creating your own motivational, inspiring, or emotional quote or post and transforming it into a mesmerizing looping animation. For example, behold this adorable emotive post video that has already garnered over 1 million views. These videos tend to thrive within the Reels algorithm, attracting hundreds of thousands to millions of views. The algorithm favors videos that effortlessly hold viewers' attention from start to finish. Since these videos typically last 10 to 15 seconds, longer than it takes to read, the algorithm recognizes the engagement and eagerly recommends them to others. For those who are e-commerce store owners, or if you are an Amazon affiliate, it presents a quick and effective way to create a viral product video. Just look at this product showcase video with over 3 million views. It's a testament to the power of this style. As you can see, there is a plethora of free video styles that you can effortlessly emulate. I hope that one of these basic video ideas has sparked your imagination and motivated you to embark on your journey of creating and uploading captivating videos. How to earn $30,000 per month. Now, let's take a deep dive into the exciting realm of earning over $30,000 a month from these captivating videos. There are various avenues to monetize your content, but one particularly popular method is through the Reels Fund. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has allocated a staggering $1 billion to distribute as cash payments to dedicated Reels uploaders. Just imagine the potential to earn up to $35,000 per month, directly deposited into your bank account. However, there is one vital condition to keep in mind: eligibility for the cash payout program is contingent on not illegally appropriating other people's videos. Unfortunately, some YouTube tutorial videos encourage users to download popular TikTok videos and re-upload them, an action that is not only illegal but also infringes upon the copyright of the original creators. Engaging in such practices not only exposes you to potential legal consequences but also disqualifies you from receiving any payment. Instead, Take inspiration from the basic video ideas I shared earlier and create and upload your own original content. By doing so, you will become eligible for the Reels Fund Cash Payout Program. Why is Facebook and Instagram paying for Reels? Now, you may be wondering why Meta is going to such great lengths to make it incredibly enticing for new creators to upload videos, amass millions of views, gain thousands of followers, and even earn tens of thousands of dollars. Well, the answer is surprisingly straightforward. Instagram and Facebook, both owned by Meta, formerly Facebook, have a strong desire for users to upload videos on their platforms. This eagerness stems from their recognition of the rapid rise of TikTok and their aspiration to compete with it by attracting users to their Reels app. In order to achieve this, they have taken the unique approach of actually paying creators to upload videos on their platforms. This strategy is driven by their desperation to entice users away from other platforms, particularly TikTok, and incentivize them to join Reels. The reason for this desperation is the current lack of a sufficient number of videos on Reels to effectively rival TikTok. To truly compete, they need a vast and diverse library of videos that can cater to the varied interests of their users. How to create a Reel. In the previous segment, we discussed the incredible opportunities for earning money through basic videos on the Reels platform. Now, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own eye-catching basic video using Canva. First, you'll need to sign up for a free 30-day trial of Canva's Pro subscription. This will give you access to the video editing features without a watermark. You can find the link to Canva in the video description below. Once you're signed up and logged in, open Canva and select the video editor option. It's time to unleash your creativity. Next, choose the desired dimensions for your video. Typically, you'll want it to be the size of a phone screen for optimal viewing. Now, set the length of your video to be between 10 to 15 seconds. Let's go with 12 seconds for this example. Now it's time to choose a background picture from the pre-installed options in Canva. Find one that resonates with your video's message or theme. To add some animation and visual interest, choose an animated element from the pre-installed options. Now, let's add some text to your video. Make sure it's long enough for viewers to spend more than the video length reading it. Engaging text can be a powerful way to convey your message. To enhance your video even further, let's sprinkle in some animated GIFs. These can add a touch of excitement and variation to your creation. Now, it's time to save your video without a watermark. Remember, this feature is available during the free trial period of Canva's Pro subscription. Lastly, let's add a trendy, free song to your video. Canva conveniently provides a Reels uploader, which allows you to select a fitting song to complement your creation. And there you have it. Congratulations on creating your own looping emotive post video for free in just minutes using Canva. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world and watch the views roll in. Now that you know how to create engaging basic videos using Canva, I'm curious, which style of video from today's tutorial are you most excited to try for yourself in order to potentially earn $30,000 a month? Share your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on the Faceless video money-making method.